not cold. It's perfect.
I don't know, we check it out.
Let's see if it's pushing out any more water. Cool, not overheating.
There's no water yet coming out.
That's great. Beautiful. Upsega Bossy. Let's see if we make Camps Bay. I don't think that's showing right.
Middle. That's it. It's miles per hour.
No, it's miles per hour, so that's about 50, 60 km an hour. Okay, here comes the bus. Oh, we're going quicker than the bus. It's got so much torque. Look at that, man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Clock. We must write down here. The clock has got a dry joint on it. We must solder the clock. There's one wire loose here. Never been this far yet. In 60 years. We've now done 31 miles in all. Right, so be busy now. Fuck, hey, get in there. Battery trays in. Wiring is in. Only those two have to go to a brake switch. We've got to do that on the hoist. Fan goes on. Most important thing now, Joel. The router works. Fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic. So there's only a few more things left to do on here. And it's looking sweet. It's looking sweet. Almost ready for delivery. Almost. Okay.
So there we have a top up. Hit the exhaust. We hit the exhaust. I think it looks better without the exhaust showing. And she doesn't miss a beat yet. Starts first time every time. We made the car a bit quieter by adding these two silencers. So originally we only had those two, and then on the tips we ended it there and pointing downwards, so you don't see it in the back. I think it looks better this way. These back shocks, they need to be done still. I think it's the back shocks. There's like no lift in them, but we can't remember which shocks we swapped. So those back shocks there, and then I see there's a fuel leak. I need to get a big ass socket spanner. Maybe check the seal there, and then there's a bit of seepage on the diff. Further, it's fairly dry. This one is a little bit loose. This one is a lot tighter. The bumper is nice and shiny, perfectly installed. We've got the ring for the crank handle, and this part slides open. I don't really want to do that. I don't want to scratch my grill. The grill came out nice. The logo came out nice, but somewhere this got scratched. So we need to re-chrome that piece. This indicator, whatever you call it, doesn't go all the way in. And then we obviously need the strip. Taillights don't work yet, but that flap does open and there's a spare wheel. This is our new bootlet. Remember guys, we lost the bootlet and we had to get one made. We've laid the inside with some material to make it look nice, and obviously because we made the new bootlet, there's no toolbox. We don't know how to make that. We need the strip here. This indicator goes all the way in. The wipers are connected. To open this side is easy. Just missing a little bulky to keep it up. This side. Same, you're missing a little bulky to keep it up. And again, the engine did clean up nicely. We still have to do the brake switch. That's what those wires are for. And we found a brand new one. And then on this side, we've got, there we go. And there's the chassis number and the engine number and the body number. So the engine number sits over there, and it's unfortunately not the same as the plate. However, the chassis number and the body number, they do correspond.
And that is how you roll down a dock.
So, opening the door. The window opens. And then you've got this, it closes down. And this part that closes down. For the backseat people, and the same here. Pull up, and then window can close. That is it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for watching our channel. This show is going to start getting to an end. We want to sell this, and then I think we're going to put it on YouTube. I'm not a very good presenter. Like, subscribe, you know the drill. Till next time.